Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vintage Antiquities with new video and a new idea. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. Today's video about very pretty and very lovely birds cross stitch hand embroidery designs. You can choose the cross stitch hand embroidery designs with pretty and lovely birds making with the hand embroidery. You can choose easily from this video and take the screenshot and save in your gallery. Friends, you can make these beautiful cross stitch hand embroidery designs on your cushion covers, your pillow covers, and also you can make these birds cross stitch on your sceneries. You can make the community wall photos and getting the ideas about your choice. Friends, if you want the videos and ideas about your choice, tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. Now friends, we meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.